Honda's mission is to deliver to people in every region around the world the freedom and enjoyment that mobility has to offer. Always putting people first, we create our products. We have researched and developed a wide variety of mobility technologies, including motorcycles, automobiles, power products, Asimo, and Honda Jet. To rapidly address to the unique needs of customers in every region, Honda has been a pioneer in developing local production and R&D capabilities. India is no exception to this. A strong feeling of majority of Indian customers is to upgrade to a sedan. Indians want to buy sedan as it is seen as big car which enhances social status. Sedan is seen as highly comfortable family car. Also, it is seen as safer car for the family. We have conducted market research to identify the customers' needs for the entry sedan. The customers look out for spacious interiors, comfortable experience, stylish exteriors, sufficient luggage space, along with high fuel efficiency. Keeping in mind these factors, we kept the grand concept for this amazing model as Smart Micro Limousine. We said this because it reflected our values of stylish design, compactness, maneuverability, and class-leading space. And now we present the rear combination lamp design concept. The rear combination lamp has been designed to make the overall RR design look wider. And once turned on, the multi-reflector and outer lens with special lens cut gives futuristic appeal to the car. The front grille design concept has been driven from the image of dynamic spoiler wings. Its wider shape and sharp corner profile enhances the premium image for the sedan. The newly developed alloy wheels for petrol have been given an appearance of high tension at the spokes, emphasizing the dynamic and elegant character. The new alloy wheel for diesel reflects the powerful character of diesel. The main spoke highlights the sportiness of the design, and the sub-spoke lends the design a dynamic character. The color lineup consists of 6 colors, including the new Majestic Blue Metallic, which will be introduced for the first time with this model. For interior color, elegance has been the key to premiumness. Two-tone color scheme has been set on the top grade. This is the overall exterior dimensions for Amaze. The overall body size is highly convenient for the customers to drive in congested city conditions. The highlight point is the efficient packaging that helps us offer the customer one class above interior space. We have a big advantage against competitors when you look at knee clearance, head clearance, and legroom. In order to enhance the comfort of the driver, we have developed a seat height adjuster for Amaze. The seat height position can be adjusted up to 50 mm, which is much higher than the competition. And for the rear passenger comfort, we have developed a rear seat with thick cushioning for relaxed long drives. To take comfort and convenience one level above, we have offered a segment-first power folding outside rear view mirror, a feature which customers living in congested areas of city would really appreciate. For extreme Indian summers, we have again offered a segment-first heat-absorbing front windscreen. Coming to the trunk size for Amaze is 400 liters. The 400-liter space can accommodate 2 pieces of medium-sized luggage and 2 pieces of small-sized luggage. The trunk space also easily accommodates the various items which are suitable for family picnics. In terms of utility, Amaze offers convenient storage spaces located all around. It shows the dynamic performance for petrol car. In addition to the acceleration, sedan's comfort, such as driving response, stability, and rear seat noise and vibration have been improved. For the suspension, we have applied McPherson strut on the front and H-shaped torsion beam on the rear. The electric power steering and segment-best turning radius offers easy driving in city conditions. With the optimized placement of soundproofing and sound-absorbing materials, we offer well-balanced NV performance during all driving phase, starting from idling, acceleration, and cruising. Now this shows the dynamic performance for diesel car. In addition to acceleration, sedan's comfort such as driving response, stability, and rear seat noise and vibration have been improved. The damping force, spring rate, and stabilizer have been optimized for the diesel model. For diesel model, we have additionally applied the noise and vibration absorption material. Beginning the brief on the petrol engine now, we have utilized the same petrol engine as that of Brio in the Amaze. The petrol engine is a 1.2-liter iVTEC engine. This is the basic performance of our petrol engine. Let me now share with you details of the newly developed iDTEC diesel engine. This is the basic performance of our diesel engine. The engine offers the amazing combination of 100 PS of power along with 25.8 km per liter fuel efficiency. Just to give a reference, Amaze performance is way above the competition. One of the major new developments is the diesel oil. As per this image, you can see, compared with standard oil, we have reduced the viscosity of the new oil at low temperature to maximize all engine performance parameters. More importantly, this newly developed oil has been made available at a highly competitive cost.